Hi guys, welcome in Naples. Today I will show you 5 top attractions of this beautiful city. Now let's go into deep. The mission kicks off at Spaccanapoli. This street slices straight through Naples, a razor-sharp line between chaos and the city's ancient soul. I move fast, taking in every detail without missing a beat. The noise, the rich smell of espresso, the towering buildings on each side like ancient sentinels. Every step here is calculated, getting me closer to the raw essence of Naples. No frills, just pure intensity. Spaccanapoli is the city's pulse point, where it all begins. If you want to feel the true spirit of Naples, you have to walk along Spaccanapoli, the street that runs straight through the city, from the Spanish Quarter to Forcella. This isn't just any street. It's an ancient path that dates back to the Greeks, who used it as a main artery connecting Piazza San Domenico Maggiore to Via Duomo. Every step along Spaccanapoli is a dive into history, a journey into the most authentic Naples. Still walking down Spaccanapoli, I reach my next stop, San Gregorio Armeno, the street of nativity scenes. But this isn't just about figurines. Every shop here is like a dojo of tradition. Religious figures, shepherds, even famous faces, each crafted with deadly precision. The artisans aren't just craftsmen, they're sensei of creativity. Every figurine is a piece of Naples history, a miniature relic designed to withstand time. Tradition lives here, and I'm taking in every fragment. I keep going down San Gregorio Armeno and with a single turn reach the third stop, Cappella San Severo, guardian of the legendary veiled Christ. But this time I'm met with a massive crowd. People from all over the world are packed in, drawn to this masterpiece of humanity. Hidden in the narrow streets of Naples, the chapel is like a magnet, pulling in gazes and holding every breath. It's not just the veiled Christ that captivates. Every corner here reveals a new wonder. The anatomical machines, statues of virtues, and the funerary monuments of the Di Sangro family. Every detail is perfection, each piece a stroke of genius, a hidden arsenal of Neapolitan art waiting to be uncovered. I weave through the crowd, ready to dive into this timeless mystery. After waiting in a long line, I finally step inside. And there it is, the veiled Christ. It appears before me, something so solemn, so breathtaking that for a moment everything else fades away. The statue lies there, as if in eternal rest, draped with a marble veil so thin and delicate that it seems real, almost alive. The folds, the texture, the way it clings to the body beneath. It's as though someone took marble and gave it the softness of silk, the weight of a final breath. I stand in silence, barely daring to breathe. Each contour, each detail carved into the stone is impossibly precise, as if the sculptor had tapped into something beyond art, beyond technique. The face beneath the veil is serene yet powerful, conveying both peace and the weight of humanity's deepest suffering. Around me, others are captivated, murmurs hushed, but even with the crowd, there's a stillness in the air, a sense that we're all witnessing something sacred. It's not just a masterpiece, it's a mystery. How could someone have achieved this level of realism, of emotion, in cold stone? The details pull me in further. Every line of the body beneath the veil, every sinew, every hint of muscle feels alive, like a heartbeat frozen in time. As I take in the scene, I realize I'm not just looking at a statue, I'm face to face with an experience, a story carved into stone that bridges art and spirituality. After an emotional whirlwind, I make my way back to Spaccanapoli, feeling a slight hunger kicking in. And so, I've arrived at my fourth stop, Pizza a Portafolio. This little marvel of Neapolitan street food is impossible to resist. A pizza folded over itself, perfect for eating on the go, hot and delicious right in my hands. Each bite bursts with flavor, the sweetness of the tomato blending with the freshness of mozzarella in a simple yet perfect taste. Here, among the alleys and locals of Naples, I realize that this city is truly experienced through every bite, one taste at a time.
So let's go inside how to prepare this magical food of Naples street food. Go on. What's your name?
We step into a small pizzeria, and right away the pizzaiolo, Vincenzo, also called Enzo in Neapolitan, welcomes us with a big smile and an infectious energy. As he prepares his pizza a portafolio, he starts telling us, with pride and passion, all about this Neapolitan masterpiece. Pizza a portafolio is made for the street, Enzo says, his hands flying over the dough. It's a pizza you eat while you're walking, simple but packed with flavor. He shows us how the pizza cooks quickly in the wood-fired oven, and once it's ready, he folds it into quarters with swift, practiced moves. This way, you can hold it in your hand and every bite is perfect, he says, laughing. Tomato, mozzarella, a drizzle of olive oil, and basil. The secret, the dough, it has to be soft and light. Enzo hands us the hot, steaming pizza portafoglio, inviting us to take a bite. This is Naples, he says, with genuine pride in his eyes. And with the first bite, we know exactly what he means. After a delicious pizza, it's time to wrap up this amazing Neapolitan experience with a sweet treat. So I head to my fifth stop, Atanasio. Here, a steaming sfogliatella awaits, the perfect finish to this journey. Crunchy on the outside, warm and fragrant on the inside, each bite is a burst of flavors, a mix of sweetness and tradition that captures the very essence of Naples. 5 stops, and Naples reveals its essence. Spacca Napoli, San Gregorio Armeno, the mysterious veiled Christ, pizza a portafoglio, and the sweet sfogliatella from Atanasio. Every corner is a hit to the heart, a taste of the real Naples. If this journey inspired you, hit like and subscribe for more adventures like this, and come experience Naples for yourself.